Okay, guys, so I'm here today with Centra, and she is a B cup. Okay, so a lot of people that have small breasts have been asking how can it be of some benefit to them, and one thing they can definitely do for you is it can create cleavage. So Centra has small breasts, but we have created her some cleavage and some drama with her shirt, and I'm going to include some before and after pics for this so that you can see the difference. If you notice here, this breast on her right is actually a little flatter than this one is. That's because when taping, we went down from the bottom and up. So you have to lift from the bottom and pull up across the shoulder, okay? In order to create cleavage, all right? So on this side, the reason why this one has more volume and is fuller is because what I did was went in on the side boob area and pulled up, and it pushed her breast in, okay? So on this side, I've yet to do so I'm going to show you how to create more drama and push it in to create more cleavage, okay? Okay, so you're going to take your tape off. And so once you stick your tape to something, whether it be skin or whatever area you stick it to, if you have to pull it back up, it will not re-stick. So wherever you place it, be sure that's where you want to go. So with this shirt, I want to be careful because the collar stops right here. So I don't want to go into this area so that you can see the tape, so that you will see the tape. So remember what I said, I'm going to go from the bottom here. I'm going to tape, and I'm going to pull to push in. So I'm going to pull here, turn around, center a little bit. And I'm going to place the tape here. So I'm going to turn her around so that you can see right there. So this is how it looks from the back, okay? So now when I pull her shirt up, we have definitely created some boob action, okay? So true lift can definitely be of some benefit to anyone of any breast size. So if you want to make more drama and create cleavage, True Lift will definitely be the solution for you. Period.